Hello, in this lesson, can we learn how to find the perimeter of composite shapes? And composite shapes is a result of combination of two or more simple shapes. Like for example, in this case, this shape here is a result of combination of this rectangle here and this one here. So, to find the perimeter of a composite shape like this one, like here we are told all length are in centimeters as question 1, then find the perimeter of the composite shape. The perimeter we are talking about here is the total distance outside this shape, that one. And as you can note, we will not add this distance here because it is not outside the shape, it is inside, so it is not part of the perimeter. So to get this perimeter, P is given by, I start with the first one, I can start with 20 plus, this one is 10 plus, we can skip this one and this one for now, and then we get this one which is 14, then plus this one which is 18, like that. But you see, there are two sides which we don't have, like this one here, from here to here we don't have, then we don't have this one from here up to here, and they are outside, so they form part of the perimeter. So to get, we can start with this one here. To get this one, you see here I have 10 on this side, and the distance from here up to here is 18, then from here up to here is 10. If you move a line like this, then it will mean it cuts this line here somewhere which is 10. So to get the remaining part of this, we only need to take from here up to here. So I take 18 minus 10. So it will be 18 minus 10, which is 8. So this distance here is 8. And then we do the same for this one here. As you can see, from here up to here is 14. Then from this end up to this end is 20. So if I take 20 minus 14, I'll get this distance from here up to here. So 20 minus 14 is 6. 20 minus 14, which is 6. So I add my 6 here and I add my 8 there, and that becomes the total perimeter of that composite shape. So we can add all of them. I take 20 plus 10 is 30 plus 14 is 44. So let me add it like this: 44 plus that 18, this one, then 6 plus 8 is also 14. So it becomes 8 plus 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, so 6 color 1, then 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So it becomes the perimeter P of that shape becomes 76 centimeters. Can we try another example? But before we do so, let me first delete this board. So in the second question here, you are told to calculate the perimeter of this composite shape. And in this one, we are given the sides. We are given this side is 16, this one is 18, from here up to here is 14, then from here up to here is 12, this one is 6, then this one is 24. So this one is a bit simple, and it is as a result of combination of this rectangle here and this one here. But we will not add this line here because it is inside the rectangle, and we said perimeter is the distance outside the composite shape. So to get this one, I need to take 16 plus 18. I can start with this 16 plus 18. So P will be 16 plus 18 plus 14 and 12 plus 14 plus 12 plus 6 and then plus 24 plus 6 then plus 24 like that. And then I can just start anywhere to add. Like this one I can just put them like this, then this one like this, then this one like this to make addition easy. So I start with this one, 16 plus 18. I get 8 plus 6 is 14, 4 and 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1, 3, 34. So this part here, it will be 34, and we write it here, 34 plus, then we come to the second one, which is 14 plus 12, then I take 4 plus 2 is 6, then 1 plus 1 is 2, so plus 26, then plus, then I take the last one, which is 24 plus 6, so 4 plus 6 is 10, 0 carry 1, it is 30, like that. So now you see I have 34 plus 26 plus 30, which is now I can just arrange it like this again, 34 plus 26 plus 30. 4 plus 6 is 10, 0 carry 1, so 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So the perimeter P of that composite shape becomes 9 centimeters. I try to use this formula of addition here so that I can show you a logic of doing addition faster. So can we try another example again? So you are given the shape here, which has sides 10 centimeter, 18, then 22, 12, 16, and 8, meaning all the sides are given. So you are told to find the perimeter of the composite shape, and to do so, of course, this is as a result of division of these two rectangles here, and then but we will not add this line inside because it is inside the shape, and we said our perimeter is set around distance outside the shape. So what we are going to do is that we are going to add that distance of that shape. So from there we can start with perimeter, which now is that around distance, so P being given by 10. I'll start with this 10, then plus 18 plus 22. So it will be 10 plus 18 plus 22 plus. Then I come back to plus 12 plus 16 plus 8. Plus 12 plus 16 plus 8, like that. So to make addition easy, I can group them like this. Then from there, I add them in groups. So the first group will give me 10 plus 18 is 28. Then the second one will give me 22 plus 12, which is, I can just even do it here. 22 plus 12, which is 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, which is 34. Then again, do the last one here, 16 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14, so 4 carry 1, so 24, like that. So you see we have reduced that whole addition into 3 simple numbers. So I go again, I say 28 plus 34 plus 24, like that. And you see 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 8 is 16, so 6 carry 1. Then we have 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So it becomes our perimeter P for that composite shape becomes 86 centimeter. So here I'm trying to train you how to do addition faster so that you don't have to keep wondering how do I add all these numbers. So with that knowledge, can you try to solve this question here? Where you are given distance 22, 18, 18, 6, then 10, and then 12, and you are told to calculate the perimeter of this composite shape. And if there is a part you don't understand, or if you have a question, you can ask me on the um, comment section. I'll try to answer to my level best. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next lesson.